Hello traders, Mike Hamilton from Trade Easy Way, and keep an eye on this Aussie US dollar because we've got this chart pattern here. We start closing above here. I think we could get a spring in our step and start to go for 75. So a pullback to something like 71.50, 71.85 at the moment could be an opportunity to get in that. There's a lot of congestion up here with the 200 EMA, so of course we could just roll over. And we've got a little apex going on there. It's been a pretty sluggish thing to trade over the last few weeks, so just keep an eye on that. So I'm producing this video very early Tuesday morning. As we come into this, we're just coming in, we're breaking yesterday's low on the US dollar CAD. So at the moment we're seeing some weakness. We're just, again, we've got non-farm payroll on Friday. So if we hit 134 or lower but come back and hold that, then that could be the springboard for a push back. Therefore leads me to think that the Aussie US and the other dollar pairs could come up. So here's the pound US, and you can see that we're some way away from the 9-day moving average. So at the moment we've got this divergence going on, but all we're doing is recovering to the 9-day moving average. So if we get just a 2-day bounce into resistance, we could get another leg down. So here we look as if we're recovering, we bounced into resistance and legged it down. So we're potentially getting, perhaps there's more move for a bounce, further scope for a bounce, but just watch that resistance level, which is 140.50 area. Obviously the 140 is the big number, and we're 25 pips off of that. So I'm not expecting this to recover unless we can start to close above 140. And you can see that resistance level there at 141, just under 141. Alright, the euro just grinds lower. The euro is not doing it, so I think the anticipation that ECB are going to take further action in this month, later this month. Okay, so I think we could come all the way back down to 105.80, 105. So look at the indices. So yesterday the markets came back, a good push to the upside, and then they came back. So we've got this cross here. We come back to find support. So if we can get that hammer retested, we may be able to push higher, but that is a reversal bar up there, so be very, very careful. We're struggling here. So today's close is going to be critical. Alright, we'll leave it there.